Hello everyone. Today, let's look at how to create a milling setup. Alright, so you're currently in the design menu. Now, you need to go to the manufacture menu. Yes, now that you're in the manufacture menu, you'll see a toolbar at the top. Okay, above the toolbar, you'll see milling. Go to the setup option within that, and then select new setup. Once you select that, a menu like this will open up for you. When that opens, the first thing you'll see under setup is the option to select your machine. Go in there and choose the machine you're working with or the one you plan to generate the G-code for. Fusion provides a machine library that you can select from. Alright, next you need to select the setup type. You'll see options like milling and turning. Since you're creating a milling setup now, select milling. Next comes the work coordinate system, which defines how you want to set up your workpiece. You can select its orientation. You also have the option to choose how you want to define the origin. You can set it as the model origin, select a specific point, or use a model box point. In this instance, I'll be using the stock box point. After that, you can select your model, and if you've added a fixture to it, you have the option to select that here as well. Alright, next, go to the stock menu. Here, you can select the stock mode. I'll choose fixed size box. Once selected, you can input the desired stock size here. Alright, finally, you'll go to the post-process menu. Here, you can assign a number to your program and add a comment. After that, you can define the machine WCS, work coordinate system, which refers to G54, G55, G56, etc. on your machine. You even have the option to input multiple WCS here. Alright, that's how you create a machine setup. Thanks for sticking with the video. We'll meet again.